Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and executing the first quick fixes. Check your internet and restart the PC. Once done, verify your account password and license so Outlook can authenticate. Make sure mailbox size isn't over quota and that server status is online, because blocked sync often looks like a client issue. Then open Outlook in safe mode to bypass extensions and temporarily disable VPN or firewall to isolate network blocks before moving to account and settings fixes. Next, dive into account and synchronization details so mail flows properly. First, compare your account type, IMAP, POP, or Exchange, and confirm server names, ports, and encryption. Mismatched ports stop delivery. Run the built-in repair account tool. If it doesn't fix syncing, recreate the Outlook profile to start fresh. Once profiles are checked, clear or rebuild the offline cache, OST or PSD, and run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to automate stubborn sync errors and log collection for deeper diagnosis. Finish by applying final remedial actions that close most cases. Update Outlook and Office and install pending Windows updates to resolve protocol mismatches, then restart and test. Inspect mail rules, focused inbox, junk folder, and blocked sender lists, because misconfigured rules often redirect incoming mail. If nothing changes, enable Outlook logging and gather diagnostics so a support technician can pinpoint server responses and errors. One tip: always test with a fresh webmail login to separate server-side problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.